Hey guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to your favorite show Planet Bollywood, जहां हम लेके आए हैं आपके लिए सबसे लेटेस्ट, सबसे ताजी, सबसे fresh खबरें from the world of Bollywood and social media. We're going to kickstart the show, but before that, let me remind you to check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the latest updates and news about your favorite Bollywood celebrities. With that, let's kickstart the show.
बच्चन फैमिली के वेल विशर्स ने उज्जैन में ऑर्गेनाइज की एक स्पेशल पूजा। क्या डिमोलिश की जाएगी पेशावर में मौजूद कपूर खानदान की पुश्तानी हवेली? अमिताभ बच्चन और अनुपम खेर ने अपने फैंस की गुड विशेस के लिए कहा थैंक यू। क्यों हाल ही में शुरू की गई टीवी शो कसौटी जिंदगी के 2 की शूटिंग को रोक दिया गया है? Amitabh Bachchan, who is currently in the isolation ward of a hospital, has thanked the millions of people who have sent him, Abhishek, Aishwarya and Aradhya wishes and prayers for a speedy recovery.
Amit ji has thanked all those millions and millions of fans and well-wishers who have sent him messages for a speedy recovery. On behalf of Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya, Aradhya and himself, Amit ji has thanked all his fans and well-wishers by posting a picture of himself with his hands joined in gratitude for all the love and support that he and his family have received. Here's the story.
Amit ji and Abhishek had shared earlier on social media that they had tested positive for the virus. कुछ देर बाद Abhishek also shared that Aishwarya and Aradhya had tested positive but were in isolation at home because they were asymptomatic. Abhishek also shared on his social media page that the rest of the family, including mother Jaya Bachchan, his sister, niece and nephew had all tested negative for the virus. He had also added that जब तक डॉक्टर्स उन्हें परमिशन नहीं देते, अमित जी और वो दोनों हॉस्पिटल में ही रहेंगे. The news of 4 members of the Bachchan family testing positive sent shockwaves across the nation and raised genuine concerns about how the virus is spreading in spite of everyone's best efforts. जब से ये न्यूज आई है that Amit ji, Abhishek, Aishwarya and Aradhya have all tested positive for COVID-19, their fans have been sending in millions of messages to offer their family their support and assure them कि पूरा देश उनकी सलामती के लिए दुआ कर रहा है. Amit ji, who was the first to test positive after he was admitted to a hospital with mild symptoms and breathlessness, shared a heartfelt message on social media thanking all those who have kept him and his family in their prayers and thoughts, and sent them so many get well soon notes, showering them with affection and goodwill. The veteran actor took to his photo sharing social media page and his popular microblogging page, shared a message from the hospital where he thanked all those who had been so kind and loving towards his family. Sharing the same message in English and in Hindi, Big B ne likha, "It shall not be possible for me to acknowledge and respond all the prayers and wishes expressed by them that have shown concern towards Abhishek, Aishwarya, Aradhya and me. I put my hands together and say thank you for your eternal love and affection." Big B said and added a photo जिसमें वो हाथ जोड़कर सर झुकाए खड़े हैं, showing deep gratitude for the love shared by fans. Amongst the millions who have wished the family, Hollywood actor and WWE superstar John Cena also shared a picture of Amit ji and Abhishek, and while there was no caption as is his trademark style, उनका concern सारे fans समझ गए. Get well soon, Bachchan family. We can't wait to see you all together again, healthy and safe and beaming with joy. Parth Samrat, who stars in the popular show Kasauti Zindagi Ke 2, has confirmed that he has tested positive for COVID-19 and is currently in quarantine at home since he has only mild symptoms.
While Bollywood is grappling with the shock of the Bachchan family having tested COVID positive, the television industry also had a rude shock when one of their favorite stars, Parth Samthan, from the show Kasauti Zindagi Ki 2 has tested positive for COVID-19. His friends and colleagues from the industry have wished him a speedy recovery. Here's the story.
Parth is one of the many television and film personalities who have tested positive in a short span of time. The actor had resumed shooting for the show, and while the producers have confirmed कि सारी safety precautions लिए जा रहे हैं, पार्थ के positive diagnosis की वजह से कसौटी का shoot रोक दिया गया है. The entire cast and crew have been asked to isolate themselves as a precaution. Ekta Kapoor's Balaji Telefilms, which is the producer of the show, has also shared on social media that all follow-up medical protocols will be conducted to ensure the safety of the remaining cast and crew. The TV Zarina shared a special message for Parth on his post where he revealed his diagnosis and said, "Get well soon, Parth. Kasauti is waiting for its hero." After Parth's positive diagnosis, Karan Patel, who had just started playing the character of Rishabh Bajaj on the show, is going to take a test for COVID-19. Though Karan पिछले कुछ दिनों से शूट पे नहीं गए थे, वो घर पे ही COVID-19 का टेस्ट करेंगे just to be safe. Karan has not been shooting since the last few days, but because he is a responsible citizen and feels safety comes first, he is going to get a swab test done on personal accord for the safety of all around him. This is a precautionary measure he is taking. Please be rest assured, he is fine and there is nothing to worry about. Please do not panic, this too shall pass. कई महीनों के लॉकडाउन के बाद TV and film actors had resumed shooting for their projects, and Parth had also only recently resumed filming for his show. Unfortunately, he has contracted the virus, which means the shoot will again come to a halt for a few weeks at least. पार्थ के कई को-एक्टर्स और फ्रेंड्स ने सोशल मीडिया पे उन्हें स्पीडी रिकवरी विश की and said they will be keeping him in their prayers. Hina Khan, who played the role of Kamalika, wrote, "You will be fine, my friend. Godspeed. I am just a few buildings away." Neeti Taylor also wished the actor and said, "Parth, wishing you a speedy recovery. Good health and strength come your way. Take care. Be safe." Arjun Bijlani and Karishma Tanna have also wished the star good health and a speedy recovery. Anupam Kher, who revealed that 4 members of his family had tested positive for COVID-19, has shared a video thanking people for their concern, prayers and good wishes.
थैंक यू, शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आप लोगों के मैसेजेस के लिए, ब्लेसिंग्स के लिए जो आपने भेजी, माँ के लिए, दुलारी के लिए, राजू और उसके परिवार वालों के लिए, कि वो जल्दी ठीक हो जाएं और जल्दी वापस घर आ जाएं. सोशल मीडिया पर पर्सनल मैसेजेस में सबके जवाब तो नहीं दे सकता, लेकिन मैं दिल से आप सबका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ.
Anupam Kher took to his social media to thank all the fans and well-wishers who have been sending out prayers and good wishes to him and his family after 4 members of his family tested positive for COVID-19. After the news broke about his mother, his brother, his sister-in-law and his niece testing positive, Anupam ji went on to clarify that he, however, tested negative for the virus. But he also wanted to caution that this is a virus that one should not take lightly and everyone should do everything possible and in their capacity to protect themselves from this deadly disease. Here's the story.
In addition to the Bachchan family, where multiple members have tested positive at one time, multiple members of Anupam ji's family have also tested positive.
डॉक्टर साहब ने कहा कि आप इनको सिटी स्कैन सेंटर ले जाइए और वहाँ पर इनका स्कैन करिए. तो हमने स्कैन करवाया जिसमें उनका कोविड पॉजिटिव माइल्डली निकला. तो तो जाहिर सी बात थी कि मैं और मेरा भाई उनके साथ थे, तो फिर मैंने भी अपना और राजू ने भी, मेरे भाई ने भी अपना CT स्कैन करवाया और जिसमें राजू माइल्डली पॉजिटिव निकले और मैं नेगेटिव था। फिर हमने उनकी फैमिली को भी बोला, मेरी भाभी रीमा, मेरी भतीजी वृंदा और मेरा जो भतीजा है प्रणित, उनका भी CT स्कैन करवाया जिसमें मेरी भाभी और मेरी भतीजी पॉजिटिव निकले माइल्डली और मेरा जो भतीजा है प्रणित वो नेगेटिव निकला।
Anupam ji had revealed in a video on social media that his mother, brother Raju Kher, sister-in-law and niece had all tested positive for COVID-19. His mother is at a hospital now while other members of his family are in quarantine at home.
I took my mother to Kokilabehan Hospital. They were very gracious and helpful enough to admit my mother there. And my brother and his family has quarantined themselves in their home.
Anupam ji tested negative after sharing a video earlier where he spoke about how they found out that they were COVID positive. After his mother showed a lack of appetite for a few days, they took her to the hospital for further tests, jahan pata chala that she had contracted the virus. After her tests came positive, other members of the family also got themselves tested, jahan Anupam ji showed a negative result while his brother and brother's family all tested positive.
आपकी दुआएं, आपका आशीर्वाद जल्द ही मेरे परिवार को ठीक करेगा और मेरी दुआएं और मेरा प्यार सब लोगों के साथ है जो इस बीमारी से ग्रस्त हैं।
A day after he shared the unfortunate news about his family, Anupam ji has shared another video on his social media page, thanking all those who have sent him messages, wishing the family a speedy recovery and praying for his mother's good health.
मम्मी जो हैं वो आइसोलेशन वार्ड में शिफ्ट कर दी गई हैं, राजू और उसका परिवार होम क्वारंटीन में है एंड आई एम श्योर वो अच्छे डॉक्टर्स की देख रेख में हैं और जल्दी ठीक हो जाएंगे। लेकिन आप लोगों ने मुझे बहुत प्यार दिया और मैं उसके लिए आपका बहुत दिल से शुक्रगुजार हूँ।
अनुपम जी की मां उनके सोशल मीडिया पेज पे दुलारी के नाम से बहुत पॉपुलर हैं और अनुपम जी अक्सर उनके फोटोज और वीडियोस पोस्ट करते रहते हैं।
आप ऐसे कितने क्यूट हो, मैं कहती हूँ फोटो में कितनी, हाँ उसमें भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है।
In this video, Anupam ji thanked all those who had messaged him and also cautioned everyone against taking the pandemic lightly and letting their guard down because in spite of all precautions they took, उनके घर पे 4 लोग positive test हुए हैं। Anupam ji's post has said, "For your wishes and messages of concern for Dulari and my bhabhi and niece, you all have been a great support and a solid source of strength for me. Sorry, I'm not able to thank individually, but I am really touched. One more thing, please don't treat social distancing and stay at home as mere expressions and just words. It is serious. Staying home is essential for safety. Don't experiment with it just because 4 months of lockdown have passed. Wait till a vaccine comes to cure this coronavirus. Thank you once again."
एंड थैंक यू वंस अगेन आप लोगों के प्यार के लिए मैं दिल से आपका कृतज्ञ हूँ। थैंक यू।
We wish your entire family a speedy recovery, Anupam ji. हम सब आपके लिए प्रे कर रहे हैं। Prayers are being offered all around the country for the Bachchan family. The Bachchans are not just one of the most important families in Bollywood, they are also one of the most popular and respected families. Especially Amit ji, जिन्हें लोग ऑलमोस्ट पिछले 5 डेकेड से स्क्रीन्स पर देख रहे हैं और जो कई लोगों के लाइफ लॉन्ग फेवरेट एक्टर रहे हैं।
The Bachchan family is not just the first family of Bollywood, but is also one of the most loved families in the entire country. Now, with billions of fans, not just in India, but internationally as well. When the news broke that the Bachchan family had 4 members who tested positive for COVID-19, fans and well-wishers started offering prayers and performing rituals for their speedy recovery. In fact, उज्जैन के एक जाने माने मंदिर में पंडित जी और फैंस ने मिलकर एक खास पूजा करवाई for the speedy recovery of the 4 members of the family. Well, इतनी सारी दुआओं और इतने सारे good wishes के साथ we're 100% sure that the Bachchan family will recover in no time. Here's the story.
It's no surprise then that his fans were both concerned and scared when they heard that the veteran actor was in hospital and had tested positive for COVID-19. जल्द ही अभिषेक, ऐश्वर्या और आराध्या के भी पॉजिटिव टेस्ट की खबर मिली, जिसकी वजह से सबका कंसर्न और भी बढ़ गया. While Amit ji and Abhishek are undergoing treatment at a hospital, Aishwarya and Aradhya are in quarantine at home since they are asymptomatic. Doctors अपना काम कर रहे हैं to help them all recover very soon, but that didn't stop fans from all across the nation to offer prayers and shower blessings on the family. उज्जैन के कुछ फोटोज रिलीज हुए हैं जहां कुछ प्रीस्ट्स और फैंस बच्चन फैमिली के लिए स्पेशल प्रेयर्स ऑफर कर रहे हैं एट द फेमस महाकाल टेंपल. कुछ रिपोर्ट्स के मुताबिक टेंपल में स्पेशल प्रेयर्स और मंत्रस चैंट किए गए और एक स्पेशल जल अभिषेक भी किया गया था टू गिव द फैमिली स्ट्रेंथ एंड हेल्प देम ओवरकम दीज डिफिकल्ट सर्कमस्टेंसेस. बीएमसी ने बच्चन फैमिली के 4 बंगलोज जलसा, जनक, प्रतीक्षा एंड वत्सा को सील कर दिया है and have declared that entire area a containment zone. In addition, the authorities have identified 30 people whom the family was in contact with as being in a high-risk category, and further investigations will be carried out. इसके पहले officials had conducted sanitation operations in all the properties and also conducted tests on all remaining members of the household at Jalsa where Amit ji and Abhishek were when they tested positive. Here's hoping that there is only good news now for the family who has had to suffer the blow of 4 family members being affected at the same time.
कि आपको मालूम है मंदिर क्यों बंद है? क्योंकि भगवान जो है सफेद कोट पहनकर अस्पतालों में काम कर रहे हैं. आप जितने भी डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेस और जितने भी हॉस्पिटल्स में काम कर रहे हैं, आप सब में एक ईश्वर का रूप है. आप सब इतनी मेहनत के साथ इंसानियत के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. जीवनदायी बन गए हैं आप. और मैं आप लोगों को हाथ जोड़कर आपकी सराहना करता हूं. नतमस्तक हूं मैं आपके साथ.
सीबीआई जांच कितने देर तक आएंगे? तो जब तक सारे एविडेंस खत्म हो जाएंगे उसके बाद.
The police continue their investigation of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, but in a new development, the lawyer of politician Subramanian Swamy has asked the police commissioner of Mumbai for the forensic examination of all electronic evidence of all people connected to Sushant Singh Rajput's case.
और आप पुलिस में विश्वास रखिए, जो सच है वो सबके सामने पुलिस लाएगी.
An advocate on behalf of politician Subramanian Swamy has asked the Mumbai Police Commissioner for a forensic examination of all the electronic evidence related to Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. Now, there have been a lot of celebrities and known figures in and outside Bollywood who have also been asking for a CBI inquiry into the case. In the meanwhile, Sushant's sister has taken to social media to post a message for his fans asking them to have faith in God and justice. Here's the story.
मैंने एक मुहिम शुरू की है जिसका नाम है जस्टिस फॉर सुशांत फोरम.
Sushant के गुजरने के बाद public figures like Shekhar Suman, Rupa Ganguly and the late actor's fans have been asking for a CBI inquiry into the case, and several conspiracy theories and rumors have been doing the rounds on social media about the tragic circumstances in which he passed away.
राजपूत की वो भी ये संदेह दूर होना चाहिए, सदा नहीं होनी चाहिए संदेह. तो मैं ये समझता हूँ कि सबको तय हो जाना चाहिए, जांच होनी चाहिए और सीबीआई की होनी चाहिए.
कुछ दिन पहले पॉलिटिशियन सुब्रमण्यन स्वामी ने एक लॉयर को अपॉइंट किया है who will reportedly process all the documents required for a possible CBI investigation into the case. Now, the lawyer appointed by Mr. Swamy has shared an update on social media where he writes, I have written a letter to Police Commissioner of Mumbai to preserve and do thorough forensic examination of all electronic evidence, phone, computer, etc. of all people connected to Sushant Singh Rajput's case.
हम सबकी एक यही मांग है कि जो हुआ है और जो दिखाई दे रहा है, जो आंखों को दिखाई दे रहा है, उससे कहीं कुछ ज्यादा प्रतीत होता है।
Shekhar Suman, who had earlier visited Sushant's family in Patna, has been asking for a CBI inquiry into the case. The actor thanked Mr. Swamy for his initiative and wrote in a social media post, "Thank you so much Subramanian Swamy for asking Ishkaran to look into Sushant's death case and determine whether it is a fit case for CBI investigation. We all will be really indebted to you if you make this possible." लेकिन जहां एक तरफ लोग इस केस को फाउल प्ले के एलिगेशन से कॉम्प्लिकेट कर रहे हैं, वहीं सुशांत सिस्टर हैज थैंक्ड सुशांत's fans for their love and expressed her gratitude in a social media post where she says कि people should have faith in God and justice. Shweta wrote, "I am overwhelmed with gratitude for the kind of love and support you guys have shown. I can't thank you guys enough for giving our family strength and caring for us during these difficult times. Let's have faith on God and His justice. Keep praying." Sushant's family has not commented so far on demands for a CBI inquiry and not responded to other conspiracy theories surrounding the actor's demise. हम भी यही उम्मीद करते हैं कि पुलिस को अपनी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने दी जाएगी विदाउट एनी पॉलिटिसाइजेशन ऑफ द केस।
दोस्तों अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, बट डोंट गो एनीवेयर, वी आर कमिंग राइट बैक।
Millennial heartthrob Kartik Aaryan has said that if Shah Rukh Khan wants to do a film with him, वो सब कुछ छोड़ के फिल्म साइन कर लेंगे. There were many other such interesting responses that the star gave when he had a Q&A session with his fans on a microblogging site with the hashtag AskKartik.
Kartik Aaryan conducted a really fun, light-hearted chat on his microblogging site where he spoke to his fans in his trademark hilarious style. Speaking about things like Shadi and working with Shah Rukh Khan, Kartik spoke about a whole bunch of things, including why having a wedding during a lockdown is actually a great idea. Here's the story.
Kartik, who has been active on social media during the lockdown, has struck a nice balance between humorous videos that often have his family and an interview series, Koki Puchega, where he speaks to frontline warriors of the coronavirus. Kartik, जो younger audience के बीच बहुत popular है for his sense of humor and ability to kid about himself, had a Q&A session with his fans on a microblogging platform and was asked a variety of questions which he answered with his trademark style. Not surprisingly, more than one fan asked Kartik, an eligible bachelor की वो शादी कब कर रहे हैं. कार्तिक, जो अक्सर अपने co-stars के साथ link up होते हैं, had a hilarious response to these inquiries. The Love Aajkal actor said that the lockdown is in fact the best time to get married. Actually, अभी best time है. खर्चा नहीं होगा, responded the actor. While to another such question about his wedding plans, उन्होंने कहा, जिस हिसाब से चल रहा है, लगता है बच्चा भी लॉकडाउन में हो जाएगा. जहां कुछ लोग उनके वेडिंग प्लान्स में इंटरेस्टेड थे, वहीं another fan asked Kartik his tips on how to become the heartthrob of the nation. The actor replied cheekily, saying, "Sorry, I'm not leaving that seat," with a smiling emoji. The actor also responded to upcoming questions about his films and shared that there are many exciting stories he is going to be a part of. A user asked, "You have as many as 6 films in different stages of production. Are 2021 and 22 going to be busier and more exciting than ever before?" Kartik ने जवाब में कहा, "Some great stories that I'm going to be a part of. We'll announce the lineup very soon, sir." Kartik is all set to be seen in many high-profile projects like Dostana 2, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 and the upcoming film directed by the Tanaji director Om Raut. But there is one person जिनके साथ काम करने के लिए सब कुछ छोड़ने के लिए रेडी हो सकते हैं, शाहरुख खान. When a fan said कि उन्हें शाहरुख खान के साथ काम करनी चाहिए, Kartik turned into a total fanboy and replied, "मैं तो सब छोड़ के कर लूंगा, आप उनको भी बोलो." We know how you feel, Karthik, and we are pretty sure कि कोई भी young actor ऐसा ही कहेगा if given a chance to work with a childhood idol. After responding candidly and humorously to many of his fans, Karthik ने chat को अपने अनोखे अंदाज में end किया by saying, खाना लगाने जाना है, मम्मी is shouting. बहुत मजा आया, कल live करें क्या? It's great to see you stay connected with all your fans, Karthik, and we are sure that by staying accessible and real, आपकी popularity is only going to grow. The Kapoor family's ancestral home in Peshawar is in danger and it faces the threat of demolition. The historical home of the Kapoor Khandan, जहां the legendary showman Raj Kapoor और उनके पिता पृथ्वी राज कपूर का जन्म हुआ था, is located in Kissa Khawani Bazaar in Peshawar in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province.
In spite of multiple assurances given to Rishi Kapoor, who recently passed away, it seems like the ancient Haveli in Pakistan, which belonged to the Kapoor family, might be demolished very soon, owing to the fact that the current owner of the Haveli wants to make a commercial structure there. Earlier, there were talks of the Haveli being turned into a museum, in spite of the fact that it was in a dilapidated state. But अब ऐसे लगता है कि ये मुमकिन नहीं हो पाएगा. Here's the story.
हवेली के करंट ओनर उस एरिया के एक वेल्दी ज्वेलर है who wants to demolish the building and construct a commercial property at the location. उन्होंने पहले भी 3-4 बार हवेली को डिमोलिश करने की कोशिश की है, but it was stopped by the Heritage Department of the area, जो बिल्डिंग को टूरिस्ट्स के लिए प्रिजर्व करना चाहती थी. In 2018, after a request by the late actor Rishi Kapoor, पाकिस्तान की गवर्नमेंट ने कपूर हवेली को एक म्यूजियम बनाने का फैसला लिया था. The foreign minister had personally assured Rishi जी कि उनके खानदानी घर को प्रोटेक्ट करके उसे म्यूजियम बनाया जाएगा. But due to an issue over the price of हवेली, ये पॉसिबल नहीं हो पाया है. The Kapoor family has a special attachment to the Haveli, which was originally built by Basheshwarnath Kapoor, the father of Bollywood stalwart Prithvi Raj Kapoor. Kapoor family partition के वक्त पाकिस्तान से इंडिया आई थी, where they created a name for themselves as actors, producers and directors. The late Rishi Kapoor and his brother Randhir had even visited their father's birthplace in the 90s, and while it is in a dilapidated state due to the lack of proper care and natural phenomena like earthquakes and rains, locals इसे demolish होता हुआ नहीं देखना चाहते. They do worry that due to government neglect, the Haveli might just collapse. A resident of the area has said it is a matter of concern that the Kapoor Haveli, which we considered as a pride of our city, is in a dilapidated condition and is fast heading to the disappearance because of being ignored. We do hope कि इस हवेली को और इससे जुड़ी यादों को महफूज रखा जा सके, because it is not just a building of cinematic significance. It's a symbol of the long-standing relationship between the two countries who were once a united nation.
Boys and girls, with that we come to the end of this episode of Planet Bollywood, but I will see you guys again tomorrow with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Now, for those of you who still want to keep updated with all the most current news from the world of Bollywood and your favorite celebrities, don't forget to check out our Zoom Facebook page. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.